It's 9 o'clock, 4th of July. Keeping it herbal. You know how we do it. One love. Free Britney Grider. Legalizer worldwide. Stay frosty with cannabis. Legalize it for veterans, for cops. Less guns, more good herb. Boom. Everybody got fireworks. Good times. Come on out. Venice Beach, place to be. We'll see who pops up in the second half out here, July 4th, 2022. Back to the square we go. Yeah. Yeah. A good one. Fireworks up that way, every which way. Maserati. Space is the place. Venice Beach. Good times, always within reach. Yes, sir. It's lit. It's definitely lit. Let's go. Good times are going. Back to Cheeseburger Lane we go. Shall sell our homies, Free Britney Griner, One Love, Legalize USA, Legalize it worldwide, safe and peace.